going to do a quick video tutorial of how to color in Photoshop. This is my first time doing this, so hopefully it goes okay. Alrighty. So I'm just gonna just edit this picture a bit and just clean up my sketch just a little bit. So I opened up it created like a new layer just to just add changes so it won't actually affect the original sketch. So then that way, if I don't like it, I can just trash that layer. I'm using the bracket tools to make the brush bigger and smaller, so I don't have to keep going back into settings and, like, you know, making it bigger or smaller, because that does take a lot of time and it can get kind of grating to keep doing that over and over again. Okay, I'm just gonna use the ink drop tool and just get some of this here so I can get rid of the little sketchy footprints. Definitely always remember to label your layers, because you don't want to have like a million of layer 1 to 215 and you're like, I don't know which thing this was, which is not good. Okay, so I'm gonna use a reference like of a Kirby picture I already got online, but I am gonna be using some of my own like color, I guess. And just try to reference the colors there to make sure they're in the same realm and I don't stray too far from the color palette. Yep, just fill this whole thing, and it's a different layer, so it'll be fine. And I'm just going to go to multiply, so there's that guy. So now I'm just going to start slapping colors on top, because that's my thing. Oh, holy crap, have I even saved it? I don't think I've saved since I've started, that is a problem. So it'll be kind of like a pinkish red, and then he'll have his little red shoes. Don't worry about going out of the lines. You can go back and, you know, make it correct or something later. Okay, we got our little star boy coming out. Okay-ish, I suppose. And, you know, if you get out of the lines, you can just go back and just use the eyedrop tool and just go around. This is actually kind of nice because I haven't had a chance to do this in a while. It is a little unnerving to do this for other people, because I have never recorded a video of myself for my students before. I remember I did a tutorial video like years ago when I was younger. I think I was still in college. But I've never done it specifically for anyone before, so I want to get better at like editing and whatnot, so maybe I can do it more in the future to, like, you know, help peeps out. I'm just also really nervous about sharing my artwork if it's not for work purposes, so I don't know. It kind of depends on you and stuff, how much you want to clean this up. I don't care. So you do you. That's what I always say. You do you. I think I'm gonna go back to my white cover layer. Ah, crap! I never locked it. Okay. Just gonna go here. Just, you know, clean out the lines for his little cheeks Little rosy cheeks. Okay. Doing little touches here and there. Okay. So usually when I do shadowing and stuff, I usually just use the drop tool and just get that environmental shadow as a, like, you know, reference for color. You don't have to do that. I just like doing it. You know, what would help is if I actually put multiply on, so it wouldn't do that. You have anything and stuff like art related that was really tedious for you to do? It's okay if it's something in my class. I understand. I want to learn too. I am learning. Actually, every single time I interact with you guys, I feel like I'm learning. Also, interacting with you guys, I realize how much I enjoy teaching, which is something I never thought I'd say, but I really do. I love my students. I love helping and becoming better, and hopefully helping some of you become better. Like, not even just artists, but people. I didn't mean to get so sappy, but I mean it. I love you. So there. And I use the erase tool. It's turned out opacity so it doesn't delete everything immediately. It's like you have like control over how much you want things to show up or not. So it's up to you. Okay, I'm gonna add another layer of shadows. You don't have to have a layer. I just wanted this to be a little bit more defined. Where am I going? Okay. Totally not necessary if you don't want to do that. Like I said before, you do you. Yeah. Just for the sake of time, I'm just gonna call this done. There we go. This is my signature. That is also not correct. Jeez. Alright, so thank you for coming with me through this journey of discovery. Again, if you have any questions, feel free to send me a message. And I hope you guys have a good night. Bye-bye.